friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. I'm living my best life. I'm in hair heaven. I just want to share the details with you guys, so stick around for all the details about today's wig and install because you're not gonna want to miss it. I promise. Today's hair sponsor is Megalook. I love Megalook. They've always sent me beautiful, bomb, long, full, super soft, beautiful wigs. Today is no exception. Today what I have installed is a 30-inch 13x4 wear and go loose deep wave wig. This is in the transparent lace. This wig is also a glueless wig, so you can wear her 100% glueless. It comes ready to wear with bleached knots and literally the most beginner friendly option you can have for a wig.
Just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all about us. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, butterflies every time I'm with you. Oh yeah, I don't wanna push you farther away. No, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away. No, I don't wanna play no games.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna tint the lace.
If we're okay, babe, all I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together.
I'm really impressed with the fit. I've tried a lot of dome cap frontal wigs and this fit is probably one of my favorite fits. It's spacious enough, but also not too tight. I'm going to cut into the ear tab.
Are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together. I wanna be.
You can see, like right here, I'm going to cut into this. You don't have to. You can just wear her fully glueless if you wanted to, like this. I think if you cut the ear tab, it gives the best melted look.
Sunshine, I've been waiting.
See, that's where we're gonna secure her.
With my head on the time, you go away.
Yeah, and then check it out, see where it's going to lay before you start securing it down. If there's too much lace in a particular spot, just go in and remove some. You can see you can wear her glueless if you wanted to. I'm gonna go in with some Skin Protect.
Forever and now, I'll never bring you sorrow. So
I think we're gonna try the Bold Hold today. I'm gonna try a mixture of both, Bold Hold and my Sticky Little Secret. First layer, I'm gonna go in with Bold Hold.
now, spotlight from my cell phone. Sounds like it's your ringtone. I get chills when you call. Wanna give you my heart, so I might talk all night long. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear.
Okay, just a few more spots here that we can go in and put some more glue.
Sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd.
With this lace melt spray, I'm gonna spray it all over the hairline.
Forever now. Chills, yeah, I get chills when you come. Wanna give you my arm, so don't you let me down. Hey, why you play with my head? Can't you love me instead? I give my all, I give my
I'm gonna go in with some Eco Style gel first, and then I might spray that spray after. We'll see. Oh, this one is very watery. I'm just removing any unwanted hairs that is cramping my style.
There can't be no other. Baby, I don't even bother. Whatever they have
It
to
gives
say.
that loose, deep texture.
My heart's already chose you. It's so scary thinking I can lose you. That you will turn and walk away. Maybe I win, maybe I lose, but nevertheless I'm in love with you. So what can I do? What can I do? Every day is getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. So come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. Every day is getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. I never thought I'd feel this way. I never thought I'd feel this way. Falling, yes, I'm falling. Those blue memories start calling.
Okay, wow, this is beautiful. Beautiful, look how long it is. Ooh.
'Cause I am yours.
I eat that install up. I think I did. Oh my god, guys, it's just beautiful. Is it straight? I feel like it's not straight.
I win, maybe I lose, but nevertheless I'm in love with you. So what can I do? What can I do?
Oh my god, it is so beautiful. Take it in, yo. Oof.
Every day, choose me. So come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. Come and take my breath away. It's getting harder. I'm begging you to choose me. I never thought.
Today I did decide to cut into the lace so I can really just melt her down. You don't have to do that with these type of wigs. You can just wear it over your ear. It just really comes down to preference. I like to have mine cut, so that's what I like to do. But guys, take this in. It's absolutely beautiful, y'all. And it's definitely hitting me where a 30-inch would hit me in its resting state, so in its styled state. So when I wash this wig, it's going to be even longer. It goes down to my booty and we're here for it. It's just so beautiful. The density is so full. I haven't even combed through this wig. If I comb through her, she's gonna be so big and so fluffy. I wanted to keep her somewhat tamed so she looks beautiful, but my goodness, she definitely wants to be puffed out a little bit. It's probably one of the best fitting glueless frontal dome cap wigs that I've seen, and I like that it has a little breathable section in the back here. It has everything you need. It's just beautiful. The hair is silky smooth, but yet definitely holds a curl. As you guys saw, I curled these pieces and it curled right away with one take. I didn't have to do anything. I love the fact that they're coming pre-plucked, ready to wear, and it's colored like black. It's just beautiful virgin hair. I give this wig a 11 out of 10, okay? It's so good, you guys. You guys need to run over there and get you one. It's just perfection, y'all. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Are you guys gonna be picking this up? If you want to purchase this beautiful wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you guys. Check them out before you go. Don't forget to leave me a comment on your thoughts on today's wig and install, and a thumbs up on your way out. I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.